Alright, welcome to this video where I'll be showing you how to create and mint your own NFT on the Binance NFT marketplace. So first of all, you can do this on your mobile phone via your Trust wallet, or if you're using a desktop, you can use it via your MetaMask Chrome extension. If you're using Brave browser, the same Chrome extension that works on Chrome works also on Brave browser, so you can install your MetaMask extension. So the first thing to do is you make sure that you click on the wallet extension and sign in to your wallet extension. You sign in. So after you sign in, you go to, of course, you can set up your profile, set up your profiles, and then after setting up a profile, you go to create. Now you can mint a collection of NFT. Maybe you want to create, for example, you want to create 100 pieces of same kind of NFTs. You can do a collection, or you want to mint just one NFT. So you go to this place, and then I'm going to use this. So this, I'm going to call it, I must label it Valuverse. And they give a description of moving from the real world to give value to the Metaverse, and then add it to community collection, royalty. So let's do it like 10% royalty. NFT type is an image, so I'm going to put it on the category of photography, and then I'm going to, because you can edit after minting, so I'll now go ahead to mint. So let's confirm minting my NFT. So it's going to, after minting an NFT, to be automatically listed in the featured market. Remember, the web address for the Binance marketplace is Featured.Market. So now I've minted it. It's now time to place it for sale. So I'm going to do a fixed price, or let me do an auction. So minimum auction I'm going to do is 0.01. No, let's do 0.1, 0.5, 0.4. So expiration time is 1 month. I'm going to put maximum time here, and then I'm going to list it. Okay, I said it's too long. Auction, I'll do 7 days instead. So 0.4, expiration is 1 week. So we're listing now. So we've listed it for 0.4 BNB, and it's being processed. So one major use case of NFT is that you can make your NFTs and you can rent those NFTs to gaming guilds. There are unique NFTs that can be used inside games. NFTs can be used inside games. You can rent them out to gaming guilds, and they can use it. They can use the NFTs and pay you for it. So renting NFTs is one major way to monetize your NFT. So we're going to treat that in another video. So this is how to mint your or create your NFT on Binance Marketplace with the website Featured.Market. So now this is it now, and of course my profile here is very verified. It's verified. You can verify your ID. You can verify your ID. So yeah, authenticity scan has been done. So yep, this is me. So you can mint your NFT and place it for sale, and then you can market it on one place you can market your NFT is also on lazy.com. Lazy.com is a place where you can market your NFT. So these are my NFTs that are on Polygon and Solana. Polygon or Solana. So this is another place you can market it, like it's public here. Yeah, so yes, and I minted. I have a web address, web name. So this place, you can see different people featured their different NFTs. And then people can buy them. So you can market your NFTs anyhow you want it, different ways, different, So when the auction is done, I can come back and give it a fixed price. So that's how to create your NFTs and mint your NFTs on the Binance Marketplace. Because there are different marketplaces, but they are very simple to do, and they follow almost similar ways to mint and publish on the marketplace. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to ask your questions if you need clarity on anything. So see ya.